Oh, that's sad, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I'm going place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I morning routine almost done, Kasana. Yeah, almost done with the morning routine. I hope you're good. If you've never been here, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subby, welcome, Kimtase. Yeah, morning routine almost done, you guys. I just need to have my smoothie and my coffee, then we'll get up to more things, you know. Like, I don't even have like a strategy for today. I don't have anything planned. I'm just taking the day as it comes. It's just a super like chill day, and it's super warm as well. So yeah, the sun is sunning. Let's go outside. The sun is sunning. Ooh. Cape Town weather these days is so nice, like, and cool. It's perfect. Ooh. The beach wouldn't hurt for this day, but you know what, I don't want to drive. I really don't want to drive, but like, I guess today is Monday, so the beach is super quiet, so maybe, not sure, good question. Yeah. Guys, last week I was invited to Christian Dior. They were launching this collection. It's a new collection. So they invited me. I was so excited because Christian Dior is one of my favorite luxury houses, including Louis Vuitton. Hermes, I've never actually purchased anything from Hermes, but you guys know that I love their Birkin bags so much, and I cannot wait to have one. But that's the I support them so much. So when I got the invitation, I was like, why not? Because I love this brand so much. So I got these as gifts. I think they are worth 50 something thousand, no, 48 point something thousand. This is the biggest gift I've ever received from a brand by far. And usually when I sort of like spend at their store, I usually spend roughly about 20,000, 30,000. So I appreciate this gift so much because I am a lover of perfume. Just look behind me. This is actually my first Christian Dior shoe. Yeah, this is my first ever purchase. This is my first Christian Dior. My man's got it for me on our first date. And he did not know my size, so this one was a bit bigger and I did not return it for whatever reason. Oh, Amber is so good, you guys. I love this perfume so much. Oh, it's more towards well, wood. Oh, it's just a gorgeous scent, man. It's a beautiful scent. But I must say that I love the old amber. This one is beautiful as well, but the other one, the first amber, or the amber that they had before, I love it so much as well. This one is just like old money type of thing. They've just upgraded it to that type of smell or scent. And the first one was leaning more towards vibrant but also wealthy, you know. Oh, my ultimate favorite. How could you ever go wrong with Oud Ispahan? This Oud Ispahan as well. I think I love my first one. I think I love this one as compared to this one because, let's see. Projection. This one is more subtle, man. This one is more subtle, but also it smells like a super nice. It's nicely projected as well. Oh, I am a lover of perfume, you guys. I love perfume so much. I love smelling good. It was a one-on-one consultation, and I enjoyed that so much because it could take me through everything and the history of Christian Dior, and getting to know more about the brand. I appreciated that so much as a lover of Christian Dior. Oh, this is Greece Dior, you guys. It smells super nice, super fresh. This is for summer. This is for spring. It's giving that. It's giving flowers. Also smelling super fresh. That's what this is giving for me. It's super fresh. It's for when you're wearing a nice dress, I think this perfume would go super well. Oh, it's super fresh. I love it. Lucky is also one of my faves as well. This one, they've nailed this one. They've nailed it, you guys. It smells super nice, nicely concentrated as well. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful scent. So if you're wearing this scent for the day, trust me, you will definitely get lucky. And also another thing about Christian Dior perfumes is that you don't need to put on a lot of perfume because they are super concentrated, and you really don't need that much when you're applying it because you'll just smell super strong. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is more than your pulses is more than enough. The one that I don't like, you guys, is the rouge. I don't like this. I really don't like it. Yesterday I had it when I was going to church, and I felt the need to take it off because all of a sudden I just felt like I have nausea. So this one, it's a lovely gift, but also it is not for me because I don't like super sweet scents. I've already mentioned this to you guys. I really don't like super sweet stuff. because it just makes me feel nauseous, or I want to throw up or something like that. Like, it's really not a great feeling. So yesterday I had to take my baby's wipes and wipe myself off because I felt like something's gonna happen. So you guys know, like, when you feel like you have nausea, I just felt like that. Okay, like, so it wasn't a good feeling. I had to take it out. But otherwise, thank you so much to Christian Dior. I am enjoying my other perfumes. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I think my collection now is well over like 100k. I think so. I am really enjoying most of these perfumes, and I'll let you know as time goes, you guys, how I feel about them, if anything changes. So yeah.
I don't want pull no trigger. I just want